Hey folks, Ola here, coming at you from my local lake on this brisk, chilly Sunday morning fishing. It started out in the actually in the lower 50s. I had to wear a coat and a shirt with a hoodie. My hands are still chilled, but I didn't expect to catch much, and I didn't, but the fish I did catch, a couple of them were pretty nice. So we'll just roll that footage and stick around till the end of the video. I have my prizes from the Lucky Tackle Box Fishing Tournament, September, October. Top 20 finisher prizes. There were actually a couple of gift cards, so I'll show you what I purchased from Lucky Tackle Box for my prizes. So let's roll today's chilly fishing footage. Good morning, folks. It is 6:40 Sunday morning. It's cold out. I'm in a coat. Well, a jacket. It's definitely chilly. We're in the mid-50s. Oh, that's a good one. Dang, I turned away to look at the sun. And he just nailed it. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my God. Dang, I literally turned away. Oh, he was barely hooked too. He's probably 3 pounds. Probably 3. Look at that. 3 pounds, 2 ounces, folks. Okay. Get a photograph. Whiskey. Get him released. This is, my friends, I don't know if you can see him. First fish of the day. Getting a release. Okay, we're going over here. There he is. Go on, buddy. He's gonna kick in a second. Come on. There he goes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Brr. Little guy. Little guy. Oh, you're so warm, fishy. Not even a keeper. Walk this way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got a strike right there, guys. Whoa. Oh, that's a good fish, guys. Oh, maybe not. Man, he hit it hard. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Dang, yeah, that's a nice fish. Get the pliers. That's a couple pounds. Super nice fish. to release. There you go. Hey folks, just a quick unbagging of my Lucky Tackle Box prizes for September-October fishing tournament. Now, I actually just got a couple of gift cards. That's what they gave for top 20 finishers. So I went to the LTB merch shop and got some goodies. So I'll share them with you. First off, the classic LTB flag t-shirt. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So finally got that. Next up is, I thought this might be nice for fishing. It's the flag, same logo, in a long sleeve dry fit shirt. Love it, love it. Then also the best thing, I think I'm missing something. Yeah, I'm missing something. The best thing is the hoodie sweatshirt. Wow, this looks ginormous too. Make sure they got me the right size. It's a medium. Looks big, but I'll try it on. Black hoodie. There was supposed to be a buff in there too, but I don't see it. No buff. I'll have to find out what happened to it was a face buff. So that's it for this unbagging.